This very special patient presented with an old denture that she had for about a year. She absolutely hated it. She's ground on it with her Dremel. She's tried to make it comfortable. Nobody will hear her out. So I start from scratch. I make intraoral digital impressions using the Prime Scan. Throw everything into exocad, including 3D face scans, photographs, all the intraoral scans and scans of her old denture, and I put a personal touch on it. Look at this beautiful smile she now has. Let me show you how I got there. So I 3D printed these using a new experimental high impact resin from Sprint Ray that is amazing, using Annex gum, red and light pink flows, and Empress Direct resin stains. I characterized this in about 10 minutes. This is a 15x time lapse. Let's see how they fit. Oh my goodness, these were so fun to do for this patient. She was so excited to have these new teeth after being with those old ones for about a year. And look at the difference we have already in fit. The old ones just fell out when she smiled, and her occlusion is spot on at the vertical that she wanted. And look at the lowers here sliding in. Let's check this out. Absolutely no pain upon delivery with the mucostatic impression. Perfect occlusion to the micron and ultra realistic. Look at this smile. I cannot believe these are dentures. I absolutely love doing this, and I cannot wait to teach you guys how to use my techniques on your patients.